Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baby gates are probably one of the most crucial safety investments any parent can make, especially when it comes to preventing little ones from accessing dangerous areas like the top of the stairs, ensuring peace of mind and a secure environment for your growing family as they begin to explore their surroundings with newfound mobility. Number 5. Regalo Safety Extra Wide Baby Gate. For over 3 decades, parents have trusted our products to keep their little ones safe. We are certified by the Baby Safety Alliance, ensuring top-notch baby proofing for your home. As a family-owned, US-based brand, we design our products with your family in mind. We've been delivering reliable safety solutions for over 30 years. This gate is specifically engineered for safe use at the top of stairs, helping to prevent falls. Remember to install it according to the manufacturer's instructions for optimal safety. Our included kit offers flexible installation options. It fits various stairway applications, including round and square banisters, as well as standard wall mounts. This extra-wide gate expands to fit openings from 29 to 43 inches. It's perfect for stairways, hallways, and doorways without needing extra extensions. Designed for children aged 6 to 24 months and small to medium pets, this walk-through gate features a secure locking system for your peace of mind. What we like? This gate offers a robust hardware-mounted design, ensuring maximum safety at the top of stairs. It comes with a versatile banister mounting kit, making installation on various stairway types a breeze. If you need a secure and wide gate for a challenging staircase, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The gate is easy to install and operate, with a simple pressure mount system that requires no drilling. The dual-action opening mechanism makes it difficult for toddlers to open, providing added safety. The gate is tall enough to prevent even active toddlers from climbing over, offering peace of mind to parents. Number 4. Cumbor Baby Gate for Stairs. Enjoy peace of mind with its automatic closing feature, ensuring safety without constant attention. Passing through is a breeze, even with your hands full, thanks to its wide opening and one-handed operation. Designed with a special double lock system, it's tough for toddlers to open but simple for adults. This creates a secure environment for your baby, giving you greater peace of mind at home. Choose between a quick, tool-free pressure mount for doorways or a secure hardware mount for stairs. It offers stability and can be adapted for smoother passage. Constructed from strong steel, it's made to withstand the energy of active kids and pets. Its durable design provides reliable protection for your busy household. Recognized with a Mom's Choice Award, it's a trusted safety solution. It adjusts to fit various openings, ensuring a great fit for your home. What we like? Featuring an auto-close and double-lock mechanism, this gate provides enhanced security and convenience for busy parents. The one-hand operation is perfect for when you're juggling a baby or laundry. If you prioritize ease of use and advanced safety features, this award-winning option is ideal. What people say. The gate is easy to install and operate, with a simple pressure mount system that requires no drilling. It features a dual-motion door that swings open in both directions, making it convenient for parents to pass through. The sturdy metal construction ensures durability and safety, providing a secure barrier for children and pets. Number 3. Toddleroo by North State's Easy Swing and Lock Baby Gate. Introducing the Easy Swing and Lock Baby Gate, designed for ultimate safety. It provides a secure barrier to keep your little one out of harm's way. This gate features a robust hardware mount, ensuring a stable and reliable installation. It's the perfect choice for securing doorways and stairways. With an adjustable width ranging from 28.68 to 47.85 inches, it fits a variety of openings. Get a custom fit for any space in your home. Standing 31 inches tall, this gate offers substantial protection. Its durable metal construction is built to last, and the matte bronze finish complements any decor. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your child is safe. This gate offers reliable security without compromising on style or convenience. The innovative swing and lock mechanism makes it easy to open and close when needed. It's designed for quick access for adults while remaining secure for children. What we like? This gate boasts an easy swing and lock system, designed for effortless operation by adults while remaining secure against little ones. Its hardware-mounted design ensures stability, especially at the top of stairs. If you're looking for a stylish, secure, and easy-to-use gate with a premium finish. This one is a great fit. What people say. The gate is easy to install and operate. It is sturdy and secure, providing peace of mind. The pressure-mounted design is convenient for renters. Number 2. Safety First Ready to Install Everywhere Baby Gate. Introducing the Safety First Ready to Install Everywhere Baby Gate. This versatile gate offers reliable protection for your little one. Its multi-use design makes it perfect for doorways, hallways, and even stairs. Keep your child safe in any area of your home. Setting it up is a breeze, ensuring you can quickly secure your spaces. Enjoy peace of mind with its ready-to-install feature. This gate is thoughtfully designed to fit seamlessly into your home's layout. It provides a secure barrier without compromising on style. With its sturdy construction, you can trust it to keep your child safe. It's the dependable choice for busy parents. The clean white finish complements any decor. It's a practical and attractive addition to your home safety solutions. What we like. Designed for ultimate convenience, this gate is ready for installation right out of the box, making it perfect for quick baby-proofing needs. Its multi-use functionality allows it to be used in doorways, hallways, and at the top of stairs. If you need a straightforward, no-fuss gate that can be set up quickly in various locations, this is the one for you. What people say. The gate is easy to install and operate. It is sturdy and secure, providing peace of mind. The pressure-mounted design is convenient for renters. Number 1. Carlson Extra Tall Walk-Through Pet Gate. This gate stands 36 inches tall and expands to fit openings between 29 and 36.5 inches wide. Its pressure mount design sets up quickly without tools, and it's gentle on your walls. Our patented small pet door, measuring 8 by 8 inches, allows your little ones to pass through while keeping others out. It even includes a locking feature for added control. With an included 4-inch extension kit, this gate is perfect for doorways, hallways, and the bottom of stairs. It can also be easily removed for convenient storage. Enjoy high-end finishes and a design that complements your home's decor. Safety is paramount with a safety lock feature, non-toxic finishes, and included wall mounts for enhanced security. The durable steel design ensures it lasts. The all-steel construction features a convenient walk-through door for easy access when needed. What we like. Standing extra tall, this gate offers superior protection for taller toddlers and active pets. The unique small pet door allows your furry friends to pass through while keeping others contained. If you have both young children and small pets, and need a tall, versatile gate that's easy to set up, this is a fantastic solution. What people say. The gate is easy to install and operate. It is sturdy and secure, providing peace of mind. The pressure-mounted design is convenient for renters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.